How to contact customer support in ExpertOption. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're looking for a way to contact the customer support in ExpertOption, firstly, open up the ExpertOption application or visit the official ExpertOption website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the Help button on the left-hand side corner from the home page, and you'll be taken to this support section. From here, you can go ahead and tap on the Open Chat button from the bottom, and you'll be able to join into live chat. Now here you can write down your message in the text box and then provide any relevant account or transaction details requested by support. Describe your issue clearly, and then you'll be able to wait for the support team to respond and follow their instructions. You can also send an email if you prefer to speak to them via email. Simply go ahead and send in your email in help@eo.support. So that is how you can contact the customer support in ExpertOption. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.